with Luna and Kash.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the episode 3 of Lego Gadgets. The Spin-O-Vision! It's a sleek magic trick with a twist on your wrist. You may be wondering, what does it do?
Well, it creates an amazing optical illusion.
This card has picture on either side. When you spin the card in the Spin-O-Vision, well, stay tuned till the end and let's find out together. For this gadget, we need this. You need 1 by 16 bricks. I need a tube. I need a gear wheels, big and small. I need a cross axles, 2 different lengths. Finally, crank and bushings. Now let's go ahead and put it together. I'm going to start by building the handle first. Place the bushing at the end of the axle. Now slide the axle at the end of the brick. Now touch the small gear like this. Next I'm going to build this. Next, attach the large gear to the brick, so the 2 gears interlocks, just like in the picture. By doing this, both the gears interlocks. Next, I'm going to attach the crank. And fit the tube. The spinner is done. Next, let's do the paper assembly. First I glued the tab, then I taped it. Now it's done. Next, slide the paper to the axle. Finally, it's ready for the magic. When I spin faster, these 2 images will appear as one. Before I reveal the surprise image, let's see what's behind the gadget. Actually, when it spins, 2 images blend into one. Is it magic? Yes. Actually, the magic is in your eyes and your brain. This phenomenon is called persistence of vision. When you look at an image, it lingers in your mind for about 1/10 of a second or 0.1 second. It's fun, right? Now let's take it for a spin. Today I learned something new. I hope you too. Well, that's all for now. See you in my next episode for Ghost Godzilla. Bye!